Audio Jungle.
Greetings to my beautiful brothers and sisters all over the freaking planet. This is your chief deciding to change the environment a little bit for my Wednesday message and put our star products from Life Code here, LOV, Very Extreme, Kenta, and of course the Star Age. Before I start my Wednesday message, guys, if you're not using these products, if you're not buy, use, repeat, you are a moron. However beautiful you are, you're still a moron. Alright? Because these are the best freaking products in the industry of network marketing. You need to buy, use, repeat. Now this Wednesday, I've been speaking a lot with our unbelievable upline, Dato Sri Vijay. And he's in London. I'm flying to London next week to chill with him and do some shopping while you guys focus on presentation. And I realized something while talking to Dato Sri on WhatsApp, on the phone. I realized that each person, whether they are a new networker, whether they are an experienced senior networker, or associate B partner, everyone has potential. I believe that there's no such thing as luck. Alright? There's no such thing as somebody having a greater benefit than another. I believe that we are all equal. And I think I proved it. Okay, 16 years ago, I had $20 US in my bank account. And I came from a small town, nobody even knew where it was, called Teluk Intan. Alright, Perak, Malaysia. I had nothing going for me. I only had my mom, who's a single mother, and two brothers I don't even like. But now I love them, okay? Alright? And there was no light at the end of the tunnel for Padman Senatiraja. There was nothing. There was a bleak journey of go to work, come back home, 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 go to work, come back home. But today I sit here recording my Wednesday message 114, I think, alright, as a millionaire, as a success story that travels around the world and inspires people. Now, it has nothing to do with luck. It has to do with the fact that I realize that I have the same potential as anyone else on this planet. We talk about Steve Jobs, God bless his soul. We talk about Bill Gates, Richard Branson. Right? We talk about these success stories out there, Vijay Ishwaran, Japadas Bismarck. We talk about them as though we will never become them. But I learned from a young age that I can become anyone I choose to, as long as I'm willing to pay the price. So my Wednesday message to you this week is that you have great potential. I don't want you to look at me and say, wow, look at that guy, gorgeous, sexy, rich, single. I don't want you to look at me in that way. I want you to look at me and say, I can be like him, or even better than him. I want you to look at us, your uplines, the V partners, and dream bigger than we ever dreamed. Because 16 years ago, my dreams are not as big as yours today. I want you to recognize the fact that you have great potential, that you will max out, and it's possible for you to max out. That anyone can max out if they choose to. If they just simply realize that we are not born different. We're all born the same. When you look at a newborn baby, there is no sign on the hand or on the bum saying successful, failure, millionaire, not millionaire. Do you understand? There is nothing to identify a newborn baby of who she or he can become. So what does that tell you? That you have the same equal potential as the most successful human that has ever lived. That we are all the same. Regardless of our race, religion, creed, our blood is red, guys. Alright? I have seen the poorest man from a village become the richest man in his country. And I have seen the completely spoiled brat who had millionaire parents waste all the money and become bankrupt before the age of 30. So what does it say? It says that your potential is great. Your potential is limitless. That you, watching this video right now, listen carefully to my voice. That you have to believe that you have the same potential as me, as Dato Sri Vijay, as Japa. You have the same potential. Alright? You have it within you to reach the greatest heights of success, the greatest, podium of recognition. If you choose, there is nothing to hold you back. There is no circumstances that you can blame for your lack of success. There is no people, there is no country, there is no political environment. You can blame nobody except yourself. Why? Because you have the same potential as everyone else. The fact that you haven't reached your max potential, the fact that you have not maxed out 1 tracking center, 2 tracking centers, 3 tracking centers, or 10 tracking centers, or 50 tracking centers as my dream for us to pay $1 million US a week to one of you. Right? The fact that you haven't achieved this is simply because you haven't decided to achieve it. That you simply haven't decided that I will pay any price to reach this ultimate destination that I am destined to reach. So guys, wake up and smell the coffee. This week, make it about reaching your true potential. And you know your true potential better than anyone else. You know you are capable of greatness. You know you can do 20 presentations in one day. You know that you can sign up anyone and everyone. You know you can find 2 in 48 hours, 24 hours, or even 1 hour if you are pushed, if you are challenged to reach your true potential. So this is me, your upline, telling you that you have great potential. And this is me, your upline, pleading with you, alright, to reach within yourself, alright, and pull out that potential and set it free. That this week you're going to hit your biggest check. That this week you're going to max out. That this week you're going to sign up more directs than you have ever done in your journey of QNet. That this week you're going to inspire your downlines to find 2 every week. That this week you're going to stand up on a stage somewhere around the world and ignite the passion of your downlines to become the greatest warriors of the V and QNet. And I want you to recognize this fact, that you, alright, have great potential. That when you look in the mirror, don't find fault with yourself. Find greatness within yourself. And if you look hard enough, you will find it. That if a little boy with a single parent from an unknown little town in Malaysia can today sit here and speak to thousands of people through his Wednesday video, alright, and have more money than he has ever dreamed of having, then you have no excuse. It's possible. And that's all you need to know, that it's possible. Now you need to make the decision. Alright? I can open the door. I can talk to you about Q10, RSP, main plan, presentation, find 2 every week, buy, use, repeat. All I can do is open the door. But walking into that room, walking into that world of maximizing your potential, it's your decision. And it is time you made it. So my Wednesday message to all of you this week is, guys, you were born to be great. Wherever you are from the world, however tough your life is right now, however bleak max out looks, however far the dream is, let me tell you this, as your brother, as your upline, as your chief, that you are born to be great. That greatness is your destiny. It is written so. And right now, you just have to look within and recognize the fact that you are Padman Sinatiraja, that you are Vijay Ishwaran, that you are Japadas Bismarck, that you have the same potential of the great ones. You have the same potential of our founders. You just haven't recognized it yet. You just don't know it yet. You haven't faced the reality of who you are going to become. Now all you need to do is recognize your true potential, make that decision to walk into this world, because the door is wide open. I have opened the door for you. Alright? And then all you have to do is pay the price consistently. Pay the price until it hurts, until you feel like crying like a little child. Pay the price until it hurts so much that taking one more step, doing one more presentation feels like you're gonna die, and keep pushing yourself no matter what. Pay the price to achieve the greatness that belongs to you. And let me tell you, as another human being to another human being, you are born to be great. This is your time to shine. Max out is written so. We partner is written so. So I'm not talking to IRs. If you're watching this video, and if you understand my message, and if you believe in your true potential, and if you believe in me, in the vision of Dato Sri Vijay Ishwar, then let me tell you, I'm talking to the future we partner of the week. So wherever you are in the world, whether you are in Central Asia, Russia, Turkey, you are we partner. Whether you are in the Middle East, you are we partner. Whether you are in Africa, you are we partner. Whether you are in Asia, you are we partner. Whether you are in India, you are we partner. Whether you are in Europe, America, South America, even Canada, you are a we partner. It is destined. It is written so. So guys, my Wednesday message to you this week: wake up, rise, and recognize your true potential, that you were born for greatness. Now it's time for you to claim your birth-given right to become the greatest you can be. So I love you guys. Make this week about your true potential.